So good afternoon, everyone, and thank you for being here today for the my presentations. So my name is Alok, and from the company name Albarrie, Canada. So I'm honored to have the opportunity to discuss the power and magic of Meteor filter bags. So in industrial operation, dust control and the fire preventions go beyond the regulatory compliances. So considering these compliances, I will be introducing you with our Meteor filter bags, a cutting-edge solution developed by Albarrie to address one of the most important challenges in the air filtration solutions. So these bags are essential in mineral processing applications, so more specific in smelting and refining applications. So Albarrie is fully integrated manufacturer, so specialized in technical needle punch felts. So we manage the entire production process, started from the raw fiber, blending, needling, and finishing and fabrication of various fabrics. So Albarrie proudly serves the various industries, not only in the mining, but we serve the power generation, chemical, steel, cement. So guided by our philosophy from fiber to filter to fit, so we deliver the engineered solution for every applications. So filter bags and door seals are the critical components for every baghouse or dust collection systems. So at Albarrie, we specialize in customized filter bags suit to the requirement of any applications as per the requirement of the customer. So not only the filter bags, we do the customized fabric seals. These fabric seals are not like the rubber seals, which can deteriorate, but these fabric seals help in vital by preventing air leaks and ensuring the bag house operates at maximum efficiency. So in today's presentation, I will quickly cover our main signature Meteor filter bag, the key benefits, the fabric combination and fabric properties, and the technical details of the Meteor spark resistance filter bags. So let's talk about the Meteor spark resistance filter bag, so which is engineered for the harsh conditions like hot gases, humidity, acidic gases, and fire risk. So featuring a proprietary basalt scrim, which is the main key element in the spark resistance filter bags, make a resistance and durability. Meteor is ideal for demanding baghouse, filtering in mining, cement kiln, waste incineration, and cement plants. So Meteor filter bags provide various key benefits like spark resistance, chemical resistance to the various acids and alkalis, which is ideal for corrosive settings like metal smelting and the waste plants. So mechanical stability, the strong fibers withstand wears and cleaning, extending bag life and lowering the maintenance cost. So here is a Meteor filter bags comes in specialized fabric blends in two combinations. The first combination is basalt plus P84 combinations, which is highly suitable for high temperature applications up to 400 degree Fahrenheit with strong resistance to acids and abrasions. The next combination is basalt plus PTFE, built for the ultra corrosive environments, resisting nearly all type of acids, alkalis, while operating under 500 degree Fahrenheit, which is perfect for harsh cleaning gases and extreme humidity. As you can see, both combinations give excellent results in terms of resistance, abrasions, acids, alkali, and oxidations, where the conventional filter bags like aramid and acrylic would quickly deteriorate. So this video demonstrates a heat test on two different fabrics. So this first fabric is the acrylic fabric using a hot ball. So as you can see, the acrylic fabric fails to withstand the heat. In the contrast, the Meteor filter bag with basalt fabric performs exceptionally well, maintaining its integrity under the same conditions. So this clearly illustrates basalt's superior strength and reliability, making it better choice for the demanding environments. As you can see, this basalt scrim based Meteor filter fabric, there is no impact of the hot ball on this fabric. So let's talk about some technical details of basalt Meteor filter bags. So the basalt is made of volcanic rock, which is naturally fire resistant, strong and stable. So test and real world shows that the basalt scrim performs better than the standard material, especially in high spark environments. So in summary, I would say Albarrie Meteor filter bags utilize the technical innovation, precise engineering, and the unique advantages of basalt scrim in deliver marketing leading filtration performance. So I would like to thank you everyone for your attention. And Albarrie stand is based out in Ontario, Canada Pavilion L25. So we do have a sample of this Meteor sample bag. So if anyone want to see, we do please welcome to our booth at Ontario, Canada. Thank you.